Hi, I'm Bea, and this is Maike. We're going to talk about body lotion. You should be careful about what moisturizers you buy. Most are pretty dangerous, like Bath & Body Works. The brand we're going to talk about is Iced Pineapple. If you think it's good, think again.
Have you ever wondered what is in your body lotion and what you put on your skin? Well, let me tell you, it is not good. Out of all the ingredients, only 1/6 are natural ingredients. That means all of the rest are toxics, are factory made. Even though we don't need many natural resources, we take more than we can afford to. In case you don't know, when you take resources, you impact the ecosystem by destroying habitats. When you do that, you destroy the animals living there. For example, when you take a lot of water from the oceans, you destroy the animals living there, and they'll die. Taking natural resources away from the planet has caused some tensions. One tension is that the environment is mad at the companies for taking away what they shouldn't.
We have done a lot of research on a website called Skin Deep. It is about what chemicals are in beauty products and what they do to affect you and your health. We looked up our body lotion and we found out that it scored a 9. A 9 is very bad, since the scale is from 1 to 10. 5 out of 6 of the ingredients are factory made, and most of those are toxics. The worst ones are methylparaben, fragrance, and propylparaben. All the ingredients that end in paraben, such as methylparaben and propylparaben, both in our body lotion, are very bad for you. They may cause cancer, and they disrupt the reproductive system. Other ingredients cause allergies, irritation, addictive behaviors, and brain damage.
There are many tensions caused by creating the products. One tension is that factory workers are unhappy because they become highly open to toxics, and the companies are happy because they get cheap labor.
You may be wondering why there's a rotten apple on the screen. Well, this is because in all the ads for body lotion, they say it is so healthy and so good for you. Well, sorry to tell you, but they lied. They claim that body lotion makes your skin smooth as an apple. It makes people love you. It will blah blah blah. All a lie. The Bath & Body Works headquarters is 97 West Main Street, New Albany, Ohio, 43054, USA. The US. And we're in Manila. To get the body lotion around the world, they need to ship it here. Either by boat, which is bad for the oceans, or by plane, bad for the sky. None of these are good. Not only that, but to ship them, they need to get shipped in a cardboard box. They are cut from trees, or they get put in plastic bags made of oil, so you can take it home from the shop.
There are also some tensions when the products get to the stores, particularly between different age groups. Commercials sometimes make the older people feel bad because they have wrinkles. Younger people feel happy because their skin is still smooth. Of course, there are some good things about moisturizers. They keep your skin smooth and strong looking. Millions of women would agree with me right now. Little do they know, though, that the ingredients used to make these lotions are very bad for the environment.
This may sound weird to some of you, but lotion can actually cause damage, not only to the environment, but also to yourself. For example, to your brain, your blood, and some lotions can even cause cancer, or get very addicting. This is no joke.
So, are moisturizers good or bad? Well, you can't really decide just like that. There are good things and bad things about them, and everyone has a different opinion.
Do you know that for most people, after they buy things, only 1% it gets kept? And what happens to the rest of the stuff? Well, it gets thrown away in a landfill. Or it's burnt first, then thrown in a landfill.
What happens with some of the things you throw away? Well, some of the plastics get eaten by birds. We're unconsciously cruel to animals. Hundreds of thousands of birds die from digesting plastic. Disposal of plastic packaging is hurting the environment. It kills birds, pollutes air and water, and even kills trees.
The biggest problem with body lotion is that it causes a lot of damage. It damages not only yourself, but the environment, animals, and others. The entire system is a problem, from extraction until disposal. Because of that, a lot of things are being destroyed.
Beware of what lotions you buy, because they're not always what they seem. They may make you look good on the outside, but from the inside, it just damages you even more.
But don't go thinking that you're never going to look young again. Red peppers and carrots can fight wrinkles, and olive oil can be used as a moisturizer. Just use olive oil instead of body lotion, so you can use it before you go to sleep, when you wake up, just any time. It's really good for you. Our images are from Flickr
And Google. Other sites used are
skindeep.com,
paraben articles,
Vaseline Intensive Care commercial,
guyslikeadults.com,
lastlotion.com,
lifescript.com,
and other home remedies. Thank you, Mr. Surgeon, for the Creative Commons video,
Thank you, Ms. Maud and Ms. Perry, for showing us which resources to use.
and thank you all teachers for supporting us.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching!